Hi there, welcome to episode 0 of Mini Armor Tutorials. In this video I'll show you what kind of features that you'll have in the end it will have in your system by the end of the tutorials. These of course in case you opt to implement all the features that I will describe. What you see in front of you is an animated wallpaper. It's easy to use app, basically it's using the screensaver as the wallpaper of your Mac Mini. Now this really gives an interesting effect to the whole system and your guests will love it, or at least mind it. You can use your family photos, your movie posters, whatever you prefer. Now your Harmony One will also have a particular activity called Home Theater, probably followed by another one called Favorite Series or Movie Collection. Now these ones here are basically shortcuts to stuff inside of your home theater system. The first one is what I call the master activity, is where all the features are. So we'll press it. After pressing the home theater activity, what you'll see is a set of buttons, very nice buttons. Well, basically it's the Apple buttons that I'm using, and each button will go to a particular feature on your home theater. Now usually, as you probably know, the Harmony One doesn't allow us to use icons for buttons that call anything else but changing channels. Now with the help of some Apple scripts and Remote Buddy, we managed to trick the remote that is changing channels, but instead is actually calling applications. So we'll start with the first button here, right? First button here, and it will basically call our TV shows section. As you heard, the computer gave us a feedback describing the section where you're at. For example, if you change to another feature, in this case is movies,
welcome to your movie theater.
The computer will tell that you are on a movie theater section. Now you probably noticed that we are using Plex for both these features. Now let's suppose that I want to go to another feature, a feature called TED, basically giving us a list of TED Talks that we can see. Now this feature is inside another application called Boxee. So we go to our remote and you press TED, and it will open Boxee and go directly to that feature.
Welcome back to the fabulous TED Talks.
So as you can see, the user didn't have to go through all the menus to get to this feature. Another one, let's go to another one called, let's go for example to Pandora, right? We'll wait a moment.
Establishing link to the United States of America.
I will explain what this establishing links is all about. And there we go.
Welcome to the Pandora radio station.
Alright. So this is good. So you'll be able to do this, jumping between features, that are inside of different applications very easily. So as you're probably starting to notice, our Harmony One is basically an aggregator works as an aggregator of all features that are in our home theater system, irrespective of the application. Either the feature may be in Plex, maybe in Boxee, or in any other app that you have installed. For instance, let's go to another one. Let's go to Google Maps, right? that button over there. So we left Pandora, that is inside Boxee, and it will open Google
Welcome
Maps.
to Google Maps.
So Google Maps is the website, and we are using Kylo, which is basically a 10-foot, well, it's basically a software browser, internet browser, built just for big screens. So you can actually read these while sitting in the couch. So another thing is that in case you live outside of US or the UK, you probably know that Pandora, Hulu and BBC iPlayer are blocked to you, are blocked for you to view, so you can't view them outside unless you use a workaround, and this workaround is called a virtual private network. Now, for example, let's select Hulu, and the system will automatically open a virtual private network link to the United States.
Establishing link to the United States of America.
As you can see.
In a moment, you will be able to watch your favorite shows on Hulu.
And there it is. So basically, your system will do all this automatically. Let's go to the UK, right? The UK, and for that we're using BBC iPlayer. So as you will see,
Establishing link to the United Kingdom.
it is establishing link to the UK, and it will open BBC iPlayer that is inside Boxee.
Enjoy your favorite shows on BBC iPlayer.
Okay, that's basically it. By the end of the tutorials, you'll be able to have these in your house. Your users will enjoy a very easy to use system, and blah 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 blah. Now, if you want to read these tutorials, you can go to miniharmony.blogspot.com. There, that is the place where all the tutorials will be. You can post some comments, ask questions, whatever you please, and I'll try to answer them all. And hopefully more advanced users that are more experienced than I am, will probably come in and contribute with ideas or even features. So enjoy, and bye bye. See you next time.